What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm heading back down to JDMHQ today. He's got a couple of sick cars he's gonna let me do some videos on. So let's get it rolling because they are ages away. So let's do a road trip. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so for today's video, guys, we have this 2002 Toyota Mark II BLIT. It's a little special edition of this. It's a wagon. I have never seen one of these before in my life. Sorry about the wind. The audio might be a little bit how you going, but I'll do my best. So this thing, man, like, I'm a big fan of stages and stuff, but this, I guess this is your Toyota version. This is awesome. So this one's factory as, it's literally bone stock. As you can see, all black, factory wheels, factory engine, factory interior, but it's tidy as, like, so as you can see, this thing's gorgeous. Really nice lines. Kind of reminds me of a hearse, to be honest. But if you know these, you know what engines it got, but I'll show you that in a minute. Let's go on the interior. So here's the interior. It's cloth seats, but actually I don't mind that. I'm not big on leather. I do like it, but I guess I'm lucky there because I like cloth as well. This thing's tidy as. I can't believe this is an 02. This thing's got, no. Okay, that's crazy. 160,000 kilometers on the clock, and it's this tidy. Like, look at the seats. You've got the tiniest little scuff here. That's nothing. Like, it's mint. Have a look in the back. The back's just as clean as the front. It's perfect. I can't believe how good condition this thing is for an 02. And in the back, this thing is tidy. Oh man, Rook, keen on a family car? Look at this thing. Oh man. Right, let's go in the engine bay. There you go, guys. The second down from the Holy Grail, a 1J BBTI. Oh baby, this thing would absolutely go like the clappers. This is crazy. Tidy as. For 160,000 Ks, like, I'm shook. I am shook, boys and girls. This thing's clean, real clean. I mean, like, it's not like they've just had it here and done a massive big, you know, high pressure hose on it. They've just got it in from the ports from Japan. So if you guys want this, hit up JDMHQ. This isn't a sales plug. I just want someone to get this because this thing's sick. He's selling it for 16 grand plus on roads. So damn, get on it, get on it. So that's our car for today, guys. These guys are getting crazy quality in, and anytime something comes in that isn't perfect, they make it perfect. So I'm stoked that these guys are bringing my car in, and I can't wait to show you all. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.